Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching for Tech. Our channel is the ultimate hub of upgrading Snapdragon GPU drivers for almost all old and the new Snapdragon devices. Last time we brought you old v762 version GPU drivers review, but today we brought you the newest Snapdragon drivers version 767 dated February 2024. We installed these new drivers on our two devices, Poco X2 and Nothing Phone 1, and they are working perfectly on the both of these two devices. So these drivers should work for all the Snapdragon devices mentioned under the video description. Today we just not installed these drivers but thoroughly tested how much boost in the performance we got by running the AnTuTu Benchmark, Geekbench and the 3D Mark test after upgrading these drivers. We got the amazing performance boost in the GPU drivers that we are going to prove via this video on both the devices. So watch this video till the end. Now without further ado, let's get started.
On a new adventure.
This is my Poco X2. I am using the Apollo OS Android 14 based custom ROM on this device. By default, this ROM comes with the old OpenGL 3.2/502 dated 13 June 2021 and the Hulcon driver version is 502. Now let's begin the performance test without installation of the new upgraded drivers. Later we will install the new drivers and we will repeat the test to check if the new drivers really makes any difference in the real life performance boost. This time we are going to try the new AnTuTu Benchmark test which we didn't tested previously in any of our videos. Finally, after running the full 50 minutes of AnTuTu test, we got the score of 3,03,857 only. After installing the new driver, later we will do this test once again and we will check the difference. For now, we will run all the performance tests first without installation of the drivers. Next we did the Geekbench test for the GPU drivers and here we got the score of 1026 for the OpenGL and 943 for Hulcon API drivers. Next we did the full 3D Mark test for the wildlife stress test, Slingshot Extreme for the Hulcon and OpenGL drivers. We will compare these results after installation of the new drivers again. Now we will download and install the drivers from the link given under the video description. Please choose the correct drivers as per your Adreno GPU version. Here our Poco X2 has the Adreno 618 GPU, so we have to download the drivers from the folder named as 650 and below. Other user, please choose the driver from the folder as per your GPU version, that is 660 only or 725 and the above version. Download and flash these modules via the Magisk Manager, or you can also flash them via kernel su if you are kernel su root access. Now reboot the device and you will see your driver's version is upgraded to the new OpenGL v676 version dated 23rd February 2024. Similarly, Hulcon caps showing the new driver version as the 512.676. That's it, we upgraded our device to the newest version of the drivers. Now let's repeat all the performance tests once again. First we run the AnTuTu Benchmark test. Previous score of the AnTuTu Benchmark was 3,03857. But after upgrading our drivers, it jumped directly to the 3,16,735. It's a huge difference of 12,900 points. Now we will run the Geekbench test for the new drivers. Here for the OpenGL, we again got the better score of 1235, which is 200 points higher than the old results. But the Hulcon API test got failed with the new drivers again and again. So I can't confirm the Hulcon API results here. Next I ran the highly graphics intensive test called as the 3D Mark. After completing all the 3D Mark test, here are the results. Wildlife test with the Hulcon API for the new driver scored the value of 1226 while the old driver had just score of 999. Here again we got the 200 points difference for the new drivers. Wildlife stress test has the score of 1220 with the best loop and 1213 with the lowest loop for the new drivers. And for the old drivers, we got the score of 937 and 810 for the best and lowest loop respectively. Here also the best and the lowest loop score of the new drivers is way better than the old GPU drivers. Slingshot Extreme for the Hulcon API has scored the 2409 and with the old driver score was just 2210. Similarly, Slingshot Extreme on the OpenGL ES 3.1 has the score of 2492 with the new drivers, while old drivers has the score of 2072. Here again we got the huge difference of 400 points for the new drivers. Only Slingshot for the OpenGL 3.0 has the low score of 3129 for the new drivers, while the old drivers has the better score of 3345. For the Poco X2, new drivers has given the better performance with the huge difference for all the benchmark performance tests like the AnTuTu, Geekbench and this 3D Mark. But now let's check out does these new drivers really makes any difference for the another devices also. Here I tested these new drivers on my Nothing Phone 1. This device is also running on the Cherish OS custom ROM Android 14. This device has the Snapdragon 778 GPU with the adreno 642L GPU. So, same drivers folder that worked for the Poco X2, we downloaded the drivers and flashed them via Magics. And the Nothing Phone 1 also got updated to the newest OpenGL at the 3.2 767 version. And Hulkan caps we are showing the Hulkan updated drivers as the 512.767. Now we will test the performance of the device with the new drivers. This time we will just test only AnTuTu performance test. So we got the higher score of 5,19,816. This is the insane score. Let's remove the drivers Magics module from the Magics Manager and downgrade the drivers to the older version of v530.51 dated 12th April 2023. This time for the AnTuTu score drastically reduced to 5,07,725 only. So we seen the huge downgrade of the 12,000 points in the AnTuTu score after downgrading the drivers to the older version. So today we did the comprehensive test for the two different devices at the same time with the old and the new drivers, and numerically both the device performance score was drastically improved with the newest OpenGL and Hulkan drivers version 767. So we proved today that the upgrading the GPU drivers via new Magics and the kernel's root method definitely helps to improve the device GPU performance drastically. So hurry up, check out all the playlist of the GPU drivers version given under the video description. Download them as per your GPU version and unleash the true potential of your GPU to improve the UI and the gaming experience on your older device. That's it for today guys. Hope you liked my work. Then please do like and share this video. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.